English has been described as a language of opportunities. Do you know why? Well, check this out.
English connects me to 400 million people around the globe, and I'm very delighted enlarging my social circle and knowing about new places, cultures and customs. Thanks to Ocean.
Brushing up on my English linguistics, I finally got my desired bands for Ielts, moving abroad next month, thanks to Ocean for its valuable training.
Isn't it weird that your intelligence is judged upon whether you can speak fluent English or not? Well, whatever. I have achieved that milestone as I can speak fluent English now. Thanks to it.
I could never grow my business without improving my English communication skills, thanks to Ocean.
If having proficiency in English can change your life, so why leave it unlearned? Guys, mind my words, learning English is not a rocket science if you follow right path under right guidance.
Ocean has witnessed many success stories. What are you waiting for? Hold our hand. We will help you to step up your communication skills with our effortless training method, filtered study material, and immense dedication.